So you want a .edit point 3D models but without Blender's annoying interface. Paint 3D allows you to remodel and repaint your models. And super easily. This is me making a new gun for my game. Dugamas is my commercial stuff. Look at that.
Would you look at that?
This is what it looks like imported into GDevelop. You can make it look better by editing it in whatever engine you use. Anyhow, I hope this helps. Subscribe for more dev videos.
Command, this is Deathclaw reporting in. Subject has been cleared for release into Butoc City. Orders from High Command. Observe, don't engage. The subject still doesn't know the truth. He thinks this is another op, but we know what he's capable of. Once he hits the ground, chaos follows. Keep all surveillance active. Thermal, drone, heartbeat, everything. If containment fails, we don't send cleanup. We send fire. Let him run. Let him hunt. Let him think he's free. But remember, he's not one of us anymore. Mark the file classified. I'm logging off. Deathtone, out.
Personal space, my guy.